Hi all. So let me ask you a few questions. Have you ever felt a bloated feeling, a burping feeling, or have a bloated belly after taking food? Or you are having an uncomfortable feeling, or you are fearing the food? So if this is your condition, actually today we will be dealing a video regarding this. So myself, Dr. Kavitha Dev, I am an Ayurvedic physician with 17 years of experience. So let's come to the topic. So many of you are approaching the doctor with the feeling of having an indigestion or acid burping, or you may be having a gas release on every part of your joint. That is, whichever area you are pressing, you can feel that a gas is traveling here and there. Okay, dears. So, in this video, what all things I will be dealing with? So, what is indigestion according to Ayurveda? 5 simple home remedies that will help you to relieve this condition. So, please stay tuned. So, what is actually your digestive fire? Digestive fire means that is present inside your stomach. When it is working properly, it is giving you lightness to the body, health to the body, energy to do your day-to-day activities. But when it is weak, what is happening? Imagine it as a cooking fire that is present inside your body. So what happens if the cooking fire is working slow? So when the cooking fire is working slow, what happens is that the food is not getting digested properly. Fermented food particles are found in the gut. So what happens if it is burning so fastly? When it is burning so fastly, again also it is burning your tissues. So we must not go in this first condition and the second condition. We must stay in a medium level. That is where our health lies. So what can be the things that can result in a weak digestive fire? So first main thing is irregular food habits. Yeah, you are concerned about your weight nowadays. So you are thinking, let me skip my breakfast, let me skip my lunch, let me skip my dinner. If you are keeping on doing this regularly, let me tell you one thing, your body fat is not going to cutting off because your body is getting the signal that you are in a starving condition. So what happens is that it is storing the fat, it is not burning the fat. Other main thing is that actually, are you a person who is daily going on with late night food habits? So if you are going with the late night food habits, or you are having an irregular food habit or irregular food timings, definitely these all can weaken your digestive fire. And second main thing is that, are you having the habit of taking incompatible food item? So what is incompatible food item? Taking fruit with food items. Taking curd at night timings. These are some of the incompatible food items. So if you are going with this incompatible food combinations, definitely it is not going to help you. And what is the third thing? So are you suffering from too much of stress? Then what happens is that you are not taking your food mindfully. Any food, when you are not taking it mindfully, it is working like a poison, not like a nectar. So always make sure when you are taking the food, you must be having proper appetite. You must chew the food properly. Many of them are not chewing the food properly. Have you ever thought why your cholesterol values are not going down? In fact, of taking statins. Because many of them are doing your chewing act so mechanically. So if you are keeping on going with your chewing mechanism so mechanically, first main thing is that there will be nutrition deficiency. Second main thing is that there can be increase in your cholesterol value. Third main thing is that you can see the undigested food items in your stool and you will be going on taking supplements. So make sure you are chewing your food thoroughly. It is so much important. Then what about stress? Yeah, many of you may be having too much of stress, but always make sure your stress is not affecting your mind and too much your body, because if it is affecting your mind and your body too much, definitely it is harming your health. And how about sleep? Many of them are following a very bad sleeping pattern, even the small kids. I'm astonished to find out that even a 7-year baby is having the TSH value of 11, 13, 20. This is not a mark. This indicates that their body is failing, their digestive fire is failing. So make sure you're going to bed early and waking up early. And are you having the habit of overeating? There are some people, they say that I don't want to feel hungry. I always want to keep on chewing. This is actually diminishing your digestive fire. You're throwing your digestive fire to a danger. And finally, are you taking regularly refrigerated food items? We know that many of them are not having enough time. Everybody is working. But that doesn't mean that you have to take directly refrigerated food items. If you're going with directly refrigerated food items, definitely it is again hampering your digestive fire. So it is not good. So are you following these things? If you're following these things, actually you're throwing your gut into a danger. Now let's check what are the signs and symptoms your body will be exhibiting if you are not having a weak digestive fire or a proper digestive fire. So are you having coated tongue? Yeah, white coated tongue indicate that your digestion and metabolism is not happening properly. And second main thing is that, do you have bad breath? Yeah, we often complain to our kids. We will be telling, have you not brushed your teeth? It is not only because they have not brushed their teeth. It is also indicating that their food is not digested properly. And do you get frequent headaches? Let me tell you, dears, if you may have treated this headache with many other pills, it is not at all working. Take care of your digestive fire, because if your digestive fire is not working properly or not corrected properly, this migraine is not at all going to get completely resolved in your body. Okay, then what is the fourth thing? So do you have a feeling of fatigue after taking your food? So it is also not good, it's a danger sign. And finally, let's check what is the fifth. There are many signs, but I am telling you simple signs that you can understand that your digestive fire is not working properly. Okay, so you will not be feeling energetic. And what happens is that you will be either feeling constipated or either you will be having loose stools. So these two conditions indicate that your gut is weak or your digestive fire is weak. So let me tell you a few home remedies that will be going to help you. So let's go with actually first main thing. It is actually, let's go with the cumin and fennel and soft water. So half teaspoon of cumin plus half teaspoon of ajwain and half teaspoon of fennel. So this you can boil in 2 cups of water, reduce it to 1 glass and then you can take. When you are taking this, what happens is that you can actually realize there is a gas movement inside your stomach and your digestive fire will be started to work slowly. So this will be helping. And are you suffering from this problem since many years? I have another wonderful tip for you. Take 5 grams of ginger. Just peel off its skin. Cut it into small pieces with a little salt. Chew it. Not crush and take, chew it. Okay? Because this helps in the proper production of digestive enzymes. So this tip will be helping for the improvement of your digestive enzymes actually. And let me tell you a third important point. Third important point is that take a small piece of hing or include a small piece of hing. You can boil it with a little water and take, or you can add it with a little ghee and take it with the food. This will help to relieve the bloating, or some elderly person will be telling after taking the food having a light stomach ache, isn't it? So hing help to relieve the stomach ache if it is related to gas up to an extent. But if it is not related to gas, definitely you have to visit your doctor. Okay, then what is the thing, what is a game changer that you can include during your lunch timings? Include either buttermilk or rasam. If you are including the buttermilk or rasam, definitely it will also making your digestive fire work well. It will make your body so much of light. Always keep this in mind. Take your food when you are feeling appetite. Don't take your food. It is 9 o'clock, let me take the food. It is 12 o'clock, let me take the food. It is 4 o'clock, let me take the food. Digestive fire does not work in that way, dears. Okay. So always take the food when you are feeling properly hungry. Okay? And when you take the food, follow this simple rule. Just take 70 to 80% of the food. After that, take a little liquid. Then don't go and lie down. After that, what you have to do? Definitely at least walk for 100 steps. Slow walking for 100 steps. So if you follow these things, and forgot an important point, let me tell you, okay? Food is a thing which have to be chewed thoroughly, because nowadays many patients coming to me, they are not chewing the food properly. They are just scrolling the mobile and they are just gulping the food. So what happens if you're gulping the food? When you're gulping the food, what happens is that first main thing is your cholesterol value will be increasing. You will be taking statins and all, but your cholesterol value is not coming to normal. Second main thing is that your food cannot be digested properly, and what happens is that you can see undigested food in your poop. And so what happens? You are resulting your body in a nutrition deficiency. You will be taking supplements, so will that be working? That also will not be working, right? So chew your food thoroughly and properly. Very important. And always make sure you are following a simple rule: early to bed, early to rise. Because gut and all our internal organs need rest. Give them proper rest. Don't keep on actually punishing them by seeing your Netflix and scrolling your Instagram videos. Okay, so these are some of the small tips that I have to tell to you. Now, let me tell you one thing. If you are having any of the gut issues, don't delay it, because many of the cases now when they are reaching the doctor, you are reaching in the final stage and then you are telling, I want to go to stage 1. You will be approaching the doctor at stage 6 and telling you want to go to stage 1. So it is not a magic. So what you have to do is actually definitely you have to take care of your health. So if at all you are having any of these symptoms, it is an indication that you are having a low digestive fire. Your body is showing a signal. So you have to take care of that. When you take care of that, your body will also take care of you. Hoping that these tips are helpful for you. If any of your colleague is suffering from any gas, bloating, acidity or burping issues, you can share this video to them. Definitely it will be helpful for them also. And dears, thank you for watching me. If you have any doubts, please drop your doubts in the comment section. Thank you. Take care.